Hey you guys, welcome back. And if you are new here, hello, my name is Lizzet. Today's video is going to be a clean with me. We are going to be getting stuff done around here because my house desperately needed it. So if you are here for some cleaning motivation, then you are in the right place. So we are starting off in my dining room and it was pouring this day, pouring. That's why it looks so dark. But as you can see, I had a bunch of my DIY things out from my previous video. So just gathering all that stuff up, and we have not been eating dinner here because it's been like my place where I've been doing all my crafts. So I think we're all ready to just finally be able to eat on this table. So just clearing everything off and wiping everything down.
Escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down.
So I will usually vacuum the rug that's under the dining table, but little Miss Luna was napping and I didn't want to wake her. So I did end up vacuuming once she woke up, but I didn't film it. And then I wanted to place our 3-tier tray on the table, so I'm just picking up little pieces of decor that I had around the house to fill it up.
Gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
So now moving on to the kitchen, and as you guys know, I like to start off on the center island, so clearing that off, and then I move on to the rest of the kitchen first. But I feel like when I get my center island cleaned first, it already starts to look a lot cleaner because that's where a lot of our clutter accumulates. So that's why I always like to start here. It kind of gets the flow going, if you will. And now moving on to the dishes. These are all clean dishes on the left side. So I'm just emptying out the sink and then placing those dishes away.
I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see it's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me.
And once I had put all the dishes away and wiped down the counter, I went in and started to clean the left side of my sink where all my clean dishes will go after I wash them. And I'm just using the Dawn detergent in the apple scent.
This moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. We're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, it's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us.
I really don't know what it is, but I always make a mess of myself and my counters when I'm washing dishes. I always have soap and water on the counters, and then my shirt is always wet. Is this just me, or does this happen to you too? Please tell me that I'm not the only one.
How I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days.
So moving on to my stove, and I'm still using the Method all-purpose spray in the lavender scent.
Do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. But when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because
For the refrigerator, I do like to use Clorox wipes because this thing gets opened multiple times a day by multiple people, my little ones, my husband, and myself, so I really like to disinfect it. And then on this particular day, I really need to clean my cabinet doors. So as you can see, they're white, and it's hard to pick it up on camera, but they do get fairly dirty, especially, like I said, with the kids opening and closing them sometimes. A lot of dirt gets stuck on there. So on this particular day, like I said, I really had to clean them because they needed it bad.
sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do.
And on this day, I had also watered my plants, and when I water them, I will take them all outside so that they can get a little bit of sun as well. And I try to do this at least once a week. I really love having plants throughout my home. It just brings me so much happiness, and I love seeing them just all over the house. It just, like I said, it makes me feel happy inside seeing all my little plants. And every time my husband goes to the hardware store, I make him bring me a new plant. But after that, I went ahead and started to clean my entryway table.
I'm not even tired. We're
So now moving on to the living room, and there was blankets everywhere because the kids were making forts, but other than that, it wasn't too bad. I have really been trying to make it a habit to pick up throughout the day, especially during nap time, so I don't have so much to do towards the end of the day when I do my cleaning every night. And the white rug has been holding up fairly well so far. As you can see, I took off my slippers before I went onto the rug. So that's the only rule we have, is that no shoes on the white rug. And luckily for us, it's been working because, you know, we haven't had any guests over because of everything going on. But and the kids have been really sticking to it. So that's why here you see me hop off the rug and then I put my slippers back on. So, I mean, we'll see how long that lasts. But so far, so good.
Listen to the midnight radio.
And then when everything was nice and clean, I went in and swept and mopped right after. And that is it for this cleaning video. It was a short one, but a good one. I hope you guys found some cleaning motivation from this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know you guys are watching and liking. And if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube family. And while you're at it, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you guys so much. I am wishing you guys all the best, sending you all a hug, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.